Hello students. So this is a question from NEET Physics Phase 1, Unit 1 and the question number is 40. The displacement x in meter of a particle of mass m moving in a one dimension is related to the time t is given by this. So we have a relation t is equal to root x plus 3. So here is a relation time with respect to x. So the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. So I want to find out what is the displacement when the velocity is 0. So first we have to find out the relation between velocity and the time. So we know that x will be here. We will put that equation. X will be t minus 3. Root x will be t minus 3 and x will be t minus 3 square. Okay. So we know that dx by dt. So we will differentiate dx by dt is equal to t minus 3 square. T minus 3 square. So dx by dt is v. So v is equal to 2 will come here. So 2t minus 3. That will be the v equation with respect to time t. And velocity will be 0. In that condition, we have to find out the time now. What will be the time? So v is equal to 0. So 2 t minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2 will go there. So t minus 3 will be 0 only. Then t will be 3. So t come 3 seconds. But we want to find out the distance. Displacement where the velocity is 0. So at t is equal to 3 seconds, our velocity is 0. So we will put t is as 3 seconds. So we will get x value. So x root x is equal to, or we can write this equation, this one. So x is equal to t minus 3 square. So we will put 3 here. So x will be 3 minus 3 whole square. That will go to 0. Our answer is 3. Thank you.